Welcome. We are going to try 5 different ways of creating PowerPoint presentations using Copilot. Let's start with the free version of Copilot. This Copilot chat. The prompt is to create a presentation about how crude oil is converted to different petroleum products. I've also given it a template. This is my template. It has a master slide and multiple layouts. Let's submit this prompt. When Copilot Chat creates PowerPoint, it uses Python behind the scenes. It's showing you the code. Of course, you don't have to know any details about programming or about Python. I'm just showing you what happens behind the scenes. So let's wait for it to finish and then see the presentation. It doesn't understand the template at all, but it did create an 11 slide PPT about oil refining. It did find or generate pictures as well. It's giving me the process, the conversion, technical details with a very simple, minimal prompt. I think we got a good result. So if you have free version, use this. After the content is ready, copy and paste these slides into your template. After you paste, make sure you use the destination theme. Now, depending on how exactly your template is created, some manual tweaking may still be required. Now let's try it with paid version, but still in Copilot chat. So I gave the same prompt, same template, and it did create a PPT. Let's open the PPT. Again, this one is not following my input template, but of the two, I feel this is a better presentation. You can download all these presentations and compare for yourself. Link is in the description. Now let's try a different scenario. I'm in chat and I've just put a prompt. How is crude oil converted to petroleum? I'm submitting it as it is. So it gave me the results. And now I realize, oh, I want to create a PPT out of this. If I ask it to create a PPT, it's like what we have seen earlier. It's going to use Python to generate this. But there is a better way of doing exactly the same thing in paid version of Copilot. Click on the plus sign and then we have more, and under more we have all agents, or the shortcut is just to type @sign. This will give you a list of all the agents you have. I'm selecting PowerPoint and now I can ask it to create a PPT using the same template. Now what's the difference here? It's PowerPoint creating a PowerPoint presentation. Notice I didn't say create a PPT about what, because PowerPoint understands we are in chat context, so it already knows the topic. But it is asking some further clarifying questions. I'll choose moderate and which aspects. So I'm just going to select all 4 options. I'm going to ask it to create a longer presentation, and balance text and visual is fine. I'm going to select this template. Click on the Let's Go button, and now PowerPoint will take over and create a PPT. One important thing to remember here is when there is a long running operation like this going on, you don't have to keep looking at it. You can even close the browser, switch off your laptop, and come back later. Another aspect is if you have to create 5 presentations, you create 5 different tabs and let them work in parallel. Now, here it split the screen into 2 parts. On the right side, it's actually building the slides. So it took around 5 minutes and it has created this presentation. For each slide, it has followed multiple steps to generate various aspects of the slide. As an example, this slide is showing fractional distillation. And this is not a clip art image. This image is generated using this prompt. Here is the prompt. It created 13 slides. It has also put the sources, illustrations, flowcharts, even charts. And the last slide usually contains references. I think so far this has been the best presentation. The next method we will use is inside PowerPoint. So this is PowerPoint on browser because all new Copilot features you get first on browser. Go to Copilot and we will give the same prompt. Also notice in PowerPoint, we get options of GPT as well as Claude, and also a selection of multiple image models. But for now, we will use exactly the same prompt and input the same template. It's asking me a couple of questions. I'm going to say technical explainer and use general knowledge. It took around 5 minutes and it has created the presentation. Let's see the overall picture. Looks much more professional, and let's look at the content as well. Consistent layouts, generated images, tables, flowcharts, and so on. I think this is the best presentation. But wait, there is one more method left. That is Cowork. That's an agent. You go to all agents and add it. For you to see this, your IT team has to enable Frontier as well as Claude. So here I give the same prompt, also provided the same template, and then it went to work. It has created some slides. So this was my input. This is the output. And let's look at this particular PPT. Open in PowerPoint. It doesn't have any images or visuals, but content wise, it looks good. The main thing is it followed my template. Now, the question is, how do you really incorporate your templates? The correct way to do that is to go to PowerPoint, go to Copilot inside PowerPoint, click on the plus sign, and choose Select Brand. Once you click there, it shows you multiple brand kits you have created. If you have never created a brand kit, click on the plus sign. It'll open a new page and allow you to create a brand kit. You have to follow this process here. And once that is done, PowerPoint Copilot will use your branded templates. So to summarize, we have 5 methods of creating PowerPoint presentations. Is this useful? Then like the video, subscribe to the channel so you continue to learn more and work smarter. I work with many customers and help them improve efficiency using Copilot and Microsoft Platform. If you would like to work with me, my contact details are in the description. So that's it for now. See you soon in another video. Thank you for watching.